Welcome students. In the last part you have learned about area of square and area of rectangle. In this part we are going to learn about area of right angle triangle, total surface area of cuboid and cube. So first we will study about area of right angle triangle. Observe this rectangle. If you draw the diagonal, you get two right angle triangle. You know that in rectangle all the four angles are 90 degree. Now let this side be L and this side be B, length and breadth. Now if we find, so we get two right angle triangle. So if we are asked to find out the area of this rectangle, so what we have? Area of rectangle is equal to 2 into area of right angle triangle. Why 2? Because here we are having two right angle triangle. Now 2 into area of right angle triangle is equal to, now you know area of this rectangle will be length into breadth. So we have L into B. Now take these two to one side. So we have area of right angle triangle is equal to length into breadth upon 2. So length into breadth, these two sides are nothing but the sides containing the right angle. So we can also say area of right angle triangle is equal to 2 into product of sides containing the right angle. Products of sides, these two sides are they contain the right angle. This side is denoted by B and this side denoted by L. So we can also say this is the base and this is the height. So we can also write the formula area of right angle triangle is equal to base into height. So from this we get the formula area of right angle triangle is equal to half base into height. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. So with this formula, let us solve sums from the exercise. This formula you have to write 20 times in your classwork. The second sum we will solve. What is the area of triangle with base 4.8 and height 3.6 centimeter? So we know the formula area of triangle is equal to half base into height. So write the formula. Base is given to you 4.8 and height is given to you 3.6. Reduce it to the lowest term. 2.4 into 3.6. So that comes to 8.64 square centimeter. Area you will always write in square meters or square centimeters. The third sum, what is the value of a rectangular plot of 75.5 meters long and 30.5 meters broad at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter. They have given you the length and breadth of the plot, and they have given you the rate per square meter. So for this, first you have to find out the area of rectangular plot. So you have learned the formula for area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So we will write the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The length is given to you 75.5 into 30.5. Now this multiplication, it comes to square meter. Now the cost of 1 square meter is 1000 rupees. So if you have these many square meters, what will be the cost? So you have to do the multiplication. So for 2302.75 square meter, what will be the cost? So you will do multiplication. After multiplication, you get the answer. So after this number, you are having 3 zeros. Decimal point, you count 1 and 2 places. So these many rupees will be the cost for 2302.75 square meter. The next sum, rectangular hall is 12 meters long and 6 meters broad. Flooring has to be made of square tiles, 30 centimeters. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall? And how many would be required if the side of one tile is 15 centimeters? So the hall, it has to be fitted with tiles. They have given you the side of one tile, it is 30 centimeters. First you have to find out the area of the hall, and then that area you have to divide by the area of the square tile. So we will find the area of the rectangle. Now rectangular hall, the length is 12 meters and breadth is 6 meters. This is the length and breadth of the hall, and one side of the square tile. So that side is given to you 30 centimeters. So this unit is meters and this is centimeter. So either you have to convert this in centimeter or this into meter. So let us convert this into centimeter. So length will be 12 into 100, because you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it will be 1200 centimeter. And breadth will be 6 into 100, that is 600 centimeter. So we will find out the area of rectangular plot, which is equal to length into breadth. So 1200 into 600, and area of this square tile. So you have to write the formula for area of square. Area of square is equal to side square. So that is 30 into 30. So let us divide. So number of tiles will be area of this plot divided by area of the tile. So area of the plot is 1200 into 600 divided by area of square tile is 30 into 30. So you will have to reduce this to the lowest term. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. Then here 0 0. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 400 into 2, that is 800 tiles will be fitted in the rectangular plot. So in the same manner, you have to find out for the side of the square tile, that is given 15 centimeter. So you have to solve all these sums from 1 to 5 from exercise 46 in your classwork. Now the next part, surface area of the cuboid. I think you have seen the cuboid. Now observe this cuboid. It has 6 faces. Each face is a rectangle. You can observe this is a rectangle. Its opposite face is rectangle. So together 6 faces are there and all the faces are rectangle, and the area of the two opposite rectangle is same. So area of this and this rectangle will be same. Area of this rectangle and the opposite rectangle will be same. Area of these two rectangle will be same. Now let the length will be, assume the length to be L, height to be H, and breadth to be B. So with this length, with these sides, we will see the formula. For total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Why 2? Because total 6 faces are there and out of that 2 rectangles are same. Therefore here outside the bracket we are having 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So these we are finding here the areas of the rectangles and the opposite rectangles are equal. Therefore we are having 2 outside the bracket. So with this formula we are going to solve the sums from the exercise. Now similarly we will learn about total surface area of a cube. You know that cube, all sides are equal in a cube. So a cube has six faces. Each face is square. Area of all faces is equal. Now you play with the dice, that is also a cube, and here you can observe this is a cube, and this cube it is having 6 total faces and each face is a square, and you have learned the area of square. Now let us assume each side to be L. So area of each square will be L square, and such 6 faces are there. So total surface area of cube, the formula is 6 into L square. L square, why? Because we are finding out the area, and the formula for area of square is L square or side square. Therefore L square, and 6 because these total squares are 6 in number. Therefore 6L square. So this is the formula for total surface area of cube, 6 into L square, and total surface area of cuboid. These two formulas you will write 20 times in your classwork. With the help of this formula, we will solve the sums from the exercise. Now let us solve few examples from practice set 47. Find the total surface area of cube having the following side. So we will solve two sums from this first question. The side is given to you 6.8 meters. So we will write the formula total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into L square. Now 6 into L square, that is the side is given to you 6.8 square. Substitute the value. 6 into the square of 6.8 comes to 46.24. So after multiplication you get 277.44 square meter. This is the total surface area of the cube. Similarly, if the side is 5.5, so total surface area of the cube when the side is 5.5, 6 into 5.5 square, 6 into 30.25. So it comes to 181.5 square meters. Second question. Find the total surface area of the cuboids of the length, breadth and height. The length, breadth and height are given to you. So we will solve the second sum. Question number 2. The third sum we will solve. First we will write the formula total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So you substitute the value of length, breadth and height. So length is given to you 2.5, breadth 2 plus breadth is 2, height is given to you 2.4 plus 2.4 into length is given to you 2.5. So you have to do this multiplication, and after finding out the product, you write the writing the answer here. So 2.5 into 2, 5 plus 4.8 plus 6.0. So it comes to 2 into 15.8. So after multiplication you get 31.6 square meters. Though you observe that this is the bigger formula, but after practicing it 3-4 times, you can solve the sums. The fourth sum we will solve total surface area of cuboid. The length is given to you 8 meters, breadth is given to you 5 meters and height is given to you 3.5 meters. So we will substitute the values in the formula. First of all, we will write the formula 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So length is given to you 8, breadth is 5, height is 3.5. Nothing, you have to just carry out the multiplication here. So it comes to 40 plus 17.5 plus 28. So it comes to 2 into 85.5. So 2 into 85.5, it comes to 171 square meter. So the total surface area of the cuboid with this length, breadth and height given to you, it comes to 171 square meters. Third sum, matchbox is 4 cm long, 2.5 cm broad, 1.5 cm in height. Its outer sides are to be covered with craft paper. How much paper will be required? So in this case, the matchbox, it has to be covered with the craft paper. So whatever the total surface area of the matchbox, that much craft paper will be required. So in short, indirectly, you have to find out the total surface area of the matchbox. So we will find out the total surface area of the matchbox. You know that matchbox is a cuboid. You know that matchbox, it is the cuboid shape. So we will write the formula for, you know the shape of matchbox, it is a cuboid. So for that we will be finding out total surface area of the cuboid, and that formula you know, 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So we will substitute the value. Length is given to you 4, breadth is 2.5 plus height is 1.5. So you carry out this multiplication. After multiplication, you have 10 plus 3.75 plus 6. So you do this addition and multiply by 2. So after adding, you get 19.75. So that comes to 39.5 square centimeter. So here we are finding out the area, total surface area of the cuboid or the matchbox, and that much paper will be required to cover the matchbox. So this much paper will be required for covering the matchbox. So with this we have completed the exercise 46 and 47. All these sums you will be solving in the classwork.